Jeans and a t-shirt. This is something that everyone should have. And you're probably like, why? Because with these pieces, you can style practically any outfit. And just to prove that, I wore the same jeans and t-shirt every day for a week. And also tried to not make it boring. So, enjoy! So, for day one of this challenge, let's get some things out of the way. I look like this because I just got out of the shower. Right now it's 12:30. All I've done today, I woke up, went to the gym, showered, came back. Now I look like this. Also, technically, well, not technically, today is not Monday, it's actually Tuesday. But yesterday, literally all I did was sit in my room and edit a video for 12 hours. So it's where am I gonna go? You know what I mean? So I figured today I actually have like stuff to do. So I figured I'd start the video today. I went outside today, it was 37, now it's 44. The high today is 48, so probably wear something warm. Definitely a jacket, obviously, I mean it is winter. I was thinking I could wear a turtleneck. Everyone sees this in my room and they're like, that's so cute, and I've literally never worn it before because it's so tight and I don't like tight clothes. Also for this challenge, I want to wear like interesting outfits because I want to show that you can still be creative with like just boring pieces. Okay, I'm gonna put this under, so momentary break. So here's what it looks like. I don't like this shirt, it's literally so tight. I feel like I can't breathe right now. So I tied it right here just to kind of, I guess, cinch it a little bit and also like make it look more interesting. Visual interest, if you will. Learned that from art school critiques. And then obviously jewelry, because I feel like without jewelry, it's just boring. Also, I'm literally so hungry right now, I'm shaking. That's actually on our list of things to do today. I really need to go to the grocery because I'm not even kidding. I've literally been eating pasta for like 4 days straight because like I don't have money to buy food. So pasta it is. I look emo, you know what I mean? It's like, ugh. Okay, don't be mad at me. I know this outfit is like an easy cop-out because literally all I did was put a jacket on. But like, this shirt is just like not doing it for me. Kind of ditched that idea, sorry about it. But here's what we're working with so far. For shoes, I think I just want to do, I have two options. Let's explore them. So I had black Converse, but they accidentally got thrown away. Kind of a long story, so can't do that. We have black Vans, and then we have these, which have like brown in them, so they match with what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna go with Hello, welcome back. I love this. Every angle I film at is weird, but it's okay. Welcome back to our challenge. It's day 2. I did a thing. I cut my shirt. I've had this shirt for a long time and it's like really long. It's just an awkward length. So I thought to kind of keep up with this day and age trends, I would like make it a little bit more cropped. Well, not even that. I just thought if I made it cropped, it would like look better. So I have this, which is like kind of my idea right now. I got this in my like thrifting video. It's actually a pajama shirt. I'm like not the biggest button-up girl, but like at the same time, you gotta make do with what you have. And I was thinking if I tied it like this, it like wouldn't be atrociously masculine, you know? And then for shoes, I have two options. We have this, which I'm kind of leaning more towards because it's like less boring than a white shoe, you know? Plus it'll like add some red in, so maybe it'll give some clues that I'm not a man. and welcome to day 3 of this challenge. It's getting hard because I literally don't know what to wear. I threw on this hoodie, which obviously I'm gonna change out of, but this is difficult because options are obviously limited, and that's basically why. Also, I'm so tired right now, I need to make coffee. Anyways, now we pick out an outfit. I also don't know the temperature outside, so maybe we should check that. All right, it's 57. I feel like it's pretty warm outside. The thing is though, like, I could layer a sweater over it, but I feel like that's kind of cheating. I'm gonna go to my roommate's room and see if she has anything, so hold momentarily. Is it basic? Sure, but my roommate was kind enough to let me borrow it for the sake of this video, so thank you. I feel like this is a good base because it's really easy to dress up. I also have scarves. I don't know which one I should wear. I like this one. We'll put her right there. For like the bag, I think I want to wear this cow bag because I feel like it just goes so perfectly with the outfit. So that's what we're working with so far. And then for shoes, I feel like I'm always going for sneakers. So for this outfit, I thought it'd be fun if I whipped out the good old and trusty black boots. Kind of just elevates the outfit. I feel like these add a different vibe, you know? It makes it less casual and more of like a Western cowboy look. But I feel like this outfit might be my favorite that we have created so far. I feel like I'm going cow tipping. Hello, welcome back to day 4 of our challenge. Today I actually have an idea, finally, and it's a really fun one, and it involves layering because I feel like for the last few days, I mean, I have layered, obviously. I feel like that's like the only reason why this challenge has like kind of worked, but I have this turtleneck and I want to also incorporate pink because I was looking in my closet and I was like, I haven't worn my pink Converse and I really like those. So yeah, that's our theme for today, is pink. Okay, be right back. And then I have this too, which I'm going to put on just to, you know, really tie in with the pink. Also, I have really greasy hair today, so I was hoping this could maybe mask that. And last but not least, we have the star of the show, our pink Converse. So once I change into these, then we'll be on the road. I feel like today was pretty easy because I wanted to do like a layered striped turtleneck under the shirt for like a while. That was like one of my original ideas and I haven't been able to do that yet. So I feel like I kind of already had this outfit in mind, so it was like pretty easy. Yeah, here is day 4. Hello everybody and welcome to the final day. We survived. I'm proud. Are you proud? Because you should be. Actually, it's really not that deep. I just am dramatic. So yesterday I was like, oh my god, this is so easy. Like, no, I don't have anything to wear. Like, I just don't know. So that's an issue. As I stare and look at my closet, I see clothes, yet I have no ideas. Denim on denim could be a fun gesture. Kind of boring, but so am I. Do you have any suggestions on how I should make this more interesting? Kill yourself. And back to my room. It's official. I'm boring. I'm wearing a denim on denim. Maybe if I wear like fun and fresh earrings. Ew, why did I just say that? Maybe if I wear fun earrings, then you won't unsubscribe, you know? A for effort, right? I put this on to kind of make the outfit more interesting, so I think I'm gonna do what I did yesterday and just wear pink Converse because I don't know, I feel like I wear red Converse all the time. Why not switch it up? It also matches with this choker that is also twisted. Here's day 5. I just finished editing this video and I realized I never made an outro clip. Also, I'm sick. But I wanted to personally come on here and say thank you for watching. I have 2 new videos coming this week. I do have some sponsored content coming, so please don't hate me. I have a ton of new videos in the works, as well as some new ideas. And I'm feeling really happy. I'm feeling really motivated and inspired. So fingers crossed I can stick to a schedule. Right now, it's looking like I'm on the right track. But anyways, thank you guys. I love you. And I'll see you in the next one, which will be soon because it's already edited. Okay, bye.